Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. Next, we are given that the letters of the word small are arranged according to the dictionary and what is the position of this word. So we'll start with the words beginning with A, and what we are left with is L, L, M, and S. We are left with 4 letters. Using these 4 letters, how many words can we make? So for example, if we make L, L, S, M, then the word would be A, L, L, S, M, which would be before S, M, A, L, L, obviously. So we need all the words beginning with A, which means these combinations, which will be 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial, because there are 2 L's and we can't distinguish between them, which gives me a 24 by 2 or 12. How many words beginning with M? What we are left with is S, A, L, L. Hang on, before that L, yeah, A, L, M. So in L, what we have is S, M, A, L. Now these are 4 letters, but they're all different. So there are 4 factorial ways of that, which is 24. Then we have words beginning with M, that is S, A, L, L, which is again 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial because we have 2 L's, which gives me 12. Now you have words beginning with S. Now the first word beginning with S will have the next letter as A. And there are 3 letters left, which would be L, L, and M. So the number of ways to do that would be 3 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 3. And then you have words beginning with SL, in which case you have L, A, and M left, which is 3 factorial because all 3 are different, which is 6. And after that you'll have words beginning with SM, and the first word beginning with SM will be SMALL, and this is the word we need. So these are a total of 24 plus 24, 48, 48 and 9 is 57 words, which means small is the 58th word, which means the answer is option 4. This completes the solutions. Thank you.